NeSs-aNA TV. Welcome, boys and girls. Our topic for today is the living room. Again, the living room. Can you say that? The living room. That's beautiful. Today we are going to be talking about the different things we can find in our living room. Can you see that? All right, boys and girls, let's go. Sofa. Again, sofa. Cushion. Cushion. Television. Television. Stereo system. Stereo system. Remote. Remote. Telephone. Telephone. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Table lamp. Table lamp. Standing fan. Standing fan. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Center table. Center table. Carpet. Carpet. Flower vase. Flower vase. And bookshelf. Again, bookshelf. All right, boys and girls, let's take it once again, and this time I want you to repeat after me. Sofa. Can you say that? Again. Sofa. Stereo system. Stereo system. Can you say that? Again. Stereo system. Television. Television. Can you say that? Again. Television. Good job. Telephone. Telephone. Can you say that? Again. Good job. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Can you say that? Again. Bookshelf. Center table. Center table. Can you say that? Center table. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. This is used for cooling the house. Can you say that? Again. Good job. Curtain. Again. Curtain. Can you say that? Again. Curtain. Good job. Flowers. Flowers. Can you say that? Again. Flowers. Very good. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Can you say that? I can hear you. Good job. Cushion. Cushion. Can you repeat? Again. Cushion. Very good. This is not a pillow, remember? Table lamp. Table lamp. Can you say that? Again. Table lamp. Good job. Remote. Remote. Can you repeat? Again. I can hear you. Good job. Carpet. Carpet. Can you say that? Again. Carpet. Good job. Now, boys and girls, I want you to tell me the name of these things that I will be showing you. Let's go. This is a word. This is a word. I'm listening. This is standing fan. Good job, boys and girls. You've done great. Bye. This